Did you know a man came within one ocean of completing the first journey around the world, only to die in a brutal battle just months before immortal fame? Ferdinand Magellan had already achieved the impossible by 1521. He navigated the treacherous passage around South America and crossed the vast Pacific Ocean, proving the world was far larger than anyone imagined. But success made him reckless. After converting several Filipino chiefs to Christianity, Magellan decided to demonstrate European military superiority. He would attack Chief Lapu-Lapu on Mactan Island with just 49 men. It was a fatal mistake. Thousands of Filipino warriors surrounded the small Spanish force in shallow water. For hours, arrows and spears rained down on the Europeans. Then Magellan was struck in the leg with a poisoned arrow. Weakened and overwhelmed, he was hacked to death with machetes and bamboo spears. His crew barely escaped and completed the circumnavigation without him. Magellan died just one ocean away from achieving immortal fame.